Hi everybody, today we will learn about English grammar sentences. Okay, and we will learn about common used English sentences. About 100 sentences. Okay, I have multiple type situation. Then we will use according to situation English sentences. It's also we will learn in this video. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you need to understand what is the sentence. Okay, sentence, how to create new sentence. So sentence means subject means subject and plus verb plus object. Okay, this is the basic structure of sentences. So let's learn some special type sentences in special situation. So let's see. You can see, first of all, I have some special sentences according to journal conversation. According to journal conversation, journal conversations means each and every time you can speak these type sentences. Okay, so sentences here: good morning, good morning, good afternoon, evening. Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. These type sentences will be used according to time. You know, in morning time we have to use good morning, and in noon time afternoon, and evening time good evening. Okay, next, how are you today? How are you today? This types sentence we can use commonly when we meet new person or other my friends in daily life. Okay, how are you today? How are you doing today? Okay, next one, I am doing well, thank you. So we all can also say, I am doing well, thank you. This is the answer of this question. Question was, how are you doing today? So answer can be, I am doing well, thank you. Okay, so this is combination here. Next sentence is, what's new? What's new? So when we talk to anyone, when you can ask, what's new today? What's new here today? Okay, next, can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? So you can start your journey, English speaking journey with these type simple sentences. Okay, can I help you with anything? So it's a interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means this is modal verb and start at the first of sentence. Okay, next, I am sorry, I don't understand. I am sorry, I don't understand. This is very common sentence, and you can use also, please repeat that. Please repeat that. If you don't understand anything in this video, so you can ask, please repeat that. If you don't understand any type object, any special object, in that situation you can ask, please repeat that. Next sentence, can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? This is a special pronoun for special situation. So you can use also this sentence, and again, please repeat again. Okay, next, I will try my best. I will try my best. This is usually a general conversation. You can also using this sentence, I will try my best. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. you can use this type sentences also. So this is general conversation sentences here. So I hope you learn and you repeat again and again these type sentences, and you can do fluent your speaking using these type common sentences. Okay, so let's move on our next situation sentences. Okay, so this is our next situation sentences. So expressing opinions, expressing opinions. So whenever you have, you should whenever you express your opinion with other person, okay, then you have to use, and you can use these type sentences. Okay, so these type sentences commonly used for you to express your opinion. Okay, so first is I think. I think. For show your opinion. I, in my opinion, in my opinion, I believe, I believe, I angry or disagree. That's an interesting point. That's an interesting point. If you lack any point or anything, then you can say that's an interesting point. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. If you understand anything from this video, so you can say I see what you mean. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. So if you understand, if you are learning anything and you are watching any movie, or but you can say, if you are confused, so you can say I'm not sure about that. Let's discuss it. Let's discuss it. If you want to know about a new point or new thing, then you can say with your partner, you can say to your partners, let's discuss it. I'm open to the other ideas. I open to other ideas. Next, what do you think? What do you think? So these all sentences have to create expressing opinions with another persons. Okay, so if you need, I think you must need these type sentences for expressing your opinion. So you must remember these sentences. Okay, so let's see our next situation sentences. So here are our next situation. Next situation is making request. Making request. If you want, if you make any request for your any error or mistake, so you can use these type sentences. So let's see one by one. First is could you please. Could you please. Could for your any type help or favor or offer, so you can use this sentence could you please. Like could you please some butter, could you please give me some, you can use this stuff. Next, can you, could you, can you, this sentence is, could you please serve water anything, could you please help me, this type sentences. Okay, can you give me some, can you give me some water, can you give me some water. Can for, can is used for formal situation, and could for any type informal situation. Okay, would you mind, would you mind. So would for, polite request, and politely you can use would model, you mind, would you mind, and other you can use verb or anything you can use. I would like to. I would like to. Here are a contraction form. Okay, it is I would. Okay, I would like to. I would like to think. I would like to love. Live. I would like to love. So you can use these type sentences also. Next is I need your help with. I need your help with. With plus etc. You can use your with her and your friend, anything which you want. Okay. May I wow. You can use this type sentences also. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? So this type situation for formal situation, can is used for formal situation for permission. So here are permission shows. Can you ask your question? Next, I am looking for. I am looking for any place, any situation, any her, everything you can use here. I am looking for. Do you have anything? Do you have anything? Do you have any job? In these type sentences also you can use, and you can create new sentences also using these type sentences. Okay, could you please, can you, would you mind, I would like to, I may I borrow, and I am looking for, would you any, could you possibly, could you possibly. Okay, so you can also these type sentences to create any types request, and any new create you can use also to create new type sentences. Okay, so I hope you understand this type sentence structure, and you must remember these type sentences if you want to speak fluently. Okay, if you are new and at this time you are start your journey, so you then you must remember these type sentences. Okay, so you can write down these sentences also. So let's move on our next situation. So this is our next situation here, giving directions. This is very common situation, giving any direction for any person. Okay, so you can use these type sentences also. So let's see one by one. First, go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Okay, whenever any person ask you, what is the direction, so you can say if that is right or straight way. So go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Turn left or right. Okay, if you if um, any if you are, if you have any situation of turning, so you can use this sentence, turn left or right. Okay, in your car, in the bus or walk, bike also. Okay, it's on the corner of. It's on the corner of like means you can use any other sentences here. So it's a corner of hospital or school also, and other types, other type also. So let's see. take a first take the first take the first, second or third exit. Okay, so it is mostly used for any, if you have any, if you have going to any mall or market, so you can use this type sentences. Take a first, second or third exit. Okay, follow the signs. Follow the sign like wrong, right, this type signs. Okay, you can't miss it. You can't miss it. Okay, this is this sentence shows anything situation, anything importance of any um, anything so good. Okay, so it's about minutes way. It's about, like you can use this type sentences also. It's about any place, anytime, minutes away. Okay, it's near or close to. It's near or close to. To means any place here. Okay, any place here. So you can use this type sentence. It's near or close to. and you can use also any people. Okay, do you know where is where is here a space, here is a space here, so blank space, so here is school, where is school, or you can use any place here. Okay, any place. Okay, and also any people like friend, and your any relative can be. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? So I hope you guys understand these all directions, giving sentences. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comment box. So please remember these type sentences and also write down in your textbook. So let's move on our next situation. Our next situation is making plans. Making plans. Without making plan, each and everything is no use. Okay, so we have to create new plans, and without plans, everything is not going on right way. Okay, so you can use these type sentences also to making new plans. So let's meet up, where you can use the sentence with your friends, with your colleagues, and also your relatives. How about, how about, like, how about your job, how about money, okay, how about school. You can use these type sentences, and you can create also. How are you free on, on any time, like Monday, like Sunday. You can use this type sentence for plans. Okay, I am available on. You can also use your time symbol. Okay, you know, like week or Monday, Sunday. You can use days also. Let's make a plan. Let's make a plan for going to on any picnic and market and purchasing some things. Okay, I will call you back. I will call you back. I will confirm later. Like you wanna go to shopping, then go to shopping. So you can use I will confirm later. And if you do any order on Amazon, so you can use, and you also do confirm that order. So I will confirm later. Okay. I am looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it. I am sorry I can't make it. I am sorry I can't make it. Next, maybe next time. Maybe next time. If you have not any idea to go any picnic or shopping mall, so if you have not any idea or plan, so you can use, and you can say maybe next time. Okay. So I hope you guys understand these sentences using for and making any plan. So you must remember, and you can use these type sentences in your daily life. I hope you guys you understand. So making plans, and next, let's see, let's do one revision. This is giving directions sentences here, and there are making request sentences here, and expressing opinions also sentences here, and next general conversation sentences here. So you must remember, and you do practice more and more using these sub sentences, and you also create new sentence using these sentences. Okay, so you must remember these vocabulary words also. So if you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comment box, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.